It's no secret, Jamaica is known for its financial divide, and everybody has to learn how to make ends meet. If you guys have watched my videos and are subscribed to my channel, then you know that I mostly talk about personal finance, and I just give tips along the way to help you guys improve that literacy. Recently, while watching YouTube, I noticed a finance trend where YouTubers will document what they spend in a week. And I think the reason why they are doing this is because, yes, it gets views, but secondly, it gives real world example to people who are just getting started to see how you should or should not spend your money. It lets them put things into perspective and let them know what to expect. And secondly, for us adults, I'm in the adult league now, but it gives us a sense of accountability for us to track our money. Sounds familiar, right? Budget, watch last week's video. So being the aspiring YouTuber, I decided to jump on this trend. And before I cut my throat, I am not here to boast. I am just here to give an insight and also to entertain. In this video, I will show you how much I spend per week as a 27-year-old living in Jamaica. So Monday morning started off with me drinking a cup of apple juice, and when I did the math by serving size, it costed around $68.25. Since it was my day off and my girlfriend had stayed over, I decided to bring her to work. The cost per trip to bring her to her location plus the toll was $550 for gas and $510 for the toll. Then when I dropped her at her workplace, I had to do the whole trip again because I had to go back home. So that was an additional $550 for gas and $510 for the toll. On my way back home, I remembered that I didn't have any water at home. It's a good thing that I have the water bottles in the car, and I did a water bottle refill, which was like $100 per bottle, $300 in total. Since I didn't have any breakfast, I only had the apple juice, I decided to mix a protein shake, which came to a total of $241 per serving. I had some business to take care of in Mandeville, I had some shopping to do, plus I had something to pick up. So my trip to Mandeville and back home came to a total of $1,679.93. I just moved to a new house in Old Harbor and I still don't have things that a normal household needs. So I did some house shopping, and anybody who does these type of shopping knows that household things are expensive. So I bought some things at Mega Mart and it came to a total of $44,236.30.
Damn!
Trust me, Monday off to a very bad start already. And it's not done yet. So one of the things that I did pick up in Mandeville was my birthday cake. This was free of charge because it was a gift from my girlfriend. Thank you very much. And for dinner that day, I had cake. So the grand total for Monday is $48,645.48. Jesus, Jaja, we have to have a bad start on the Monday. Being that Monday was such an expensive day, Tuesday had to be a little bit cheaper. So I started off Tuesday morning with a cup of water. After that, I took a look at my investment portfolio, and since it's time to do my monthly evaluation, it's time to make some purchases. So I spent $20,000 on stocks. Being somebody that kinda likes a routine, I opted to drink my protein shake for breakfast, which is $241. After doing my investments, I decided it was time to have some lunch. So I prepared some breadfruit tostones with some Grace Frankfurters with some mixed fruits. And that came to a total of $342.62. And by the way, if you guys hear someone in the background, it's the fan, it's summer, the place hot, for just, yeah. Then it was time to do some reading. I'm trying to at least read a couple books per year. I'm already on my second one. Yes, I'm reading very slowly, but yeah, nonetheless, investing in my knowledge. So on to our second book. I posted a picture the other day on Instagram. By the way, you guys follow me on Instagram, where I took a shirtless pic, and trust me, I am way below shape. I am not that Demi Fit Tips anymore. So I'm trying to get back into shape by doing some home workouts and commit at home before committing to the gym. So this is free because it's at home. So to end the day, I had some veggie patties with cheese, with bread, and an egg for dinner. That means we ended Tuesday a little better than Monday, but it's still too high, at a total of $20,912.41. So we realized the spending for Monday and Tuesday was too much, so we tried to cut back for Wednesday. And for Wednesday, we started off with a protein shake which cost $241. Then I jumped on the daily routine of trying to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. Being that it's a home workout, it is free. So after the workout, I had my first meal of the day, which was some fritters with some quinoa, mixed vegetable, black beans, just a whole bunch of beans, which added up to a total of $424.87. So my day off is finished, work time start, and I travel to work and I use the toll. So that's $110 for the toll and $316.71 for the distance and the amount of gas that I use. Now we're at work, we put in with hours and we feel kind of hungry, so I'm going to eat part 2 of the first meal that I already ate, which was the quinoa with the mixed vegetable and the beans and the fried fritters. Closer to the end of my 12-hour shift, I decided to have a snack, which was some Dixie sandwich cookies along with some mint tea. The mint tea is free, but the Dixie crackers cost $65.88. Then going home, I had to pay the toll of $110 with the gas of $316.71, which basically wraps up Wednesday at a total of $2,010.04. Way better than Monday and Tuesday, but I think we can get it down a little bit more. Waking up Thursday morning, straight to the home workout, which was free. After the workout, I didn't have anything to eat. I just jumped in the car and went straight to work, which cost $110 for the toll and $316.71 for the gas. So as soon as I got to work, I needed a little bit of energy boost, so I decided to mix about 2 cups of coffee. Didn't really cost anything because, yeah, coffee is on the house. Being that I was so hungry after the workout, I had the typical Jamaican staple, fried chicken and rice, which came out to about $650. After that, work got extremely busy, a lot of run up and down all over the place, some major problems happened. So after that, I decided to eat some power food because I was hungry again, which is oats, which came out to about $88.14. Then work was over for the day, and that is $110 for the toll and $316.71 for gas. When I got home, I was still kind of hungry, so I decided to have a spice bun by National, which was $116, bringing my total for Thursday at $1,706.56. Yes, we are trending down. Friday started off with the workout routine, tried to get in a home workout again, which was free. After the workout, I had the last of my protein shake, which came out to $241. Then it was the same old toll and gas. Same time as I got to work, no messing around, I was super hungry, ate a box food for $500. Nothing much happens after that on Friday as it pertains to spending, except taking the toll and spending some gas to get home. That brings our Friday's total to $1,594.42. We are doing a lot better because we trend down all the way from Monday to Friday. Now that the work week is finished, you would think that the spending has come to an end, right? But wait, what about the recurring needs, the money that you need to spend every month, like your rent? Stay tuned for that. Per month, I pay $36,000 for rent. Being that I live in Old Harbor, which is not in Kingston, I can get away with a cheaper rent than in the metropolitan. So $36,000 per month. Per week, that is $9,000 for rent per week. Being that it's also in a gated community, I also pay a $1,500 fee every month for the gate, which works out to $375 per week. everybody wants to have a car and everybody thinks that having a car is a dream. While it is efficient and it is a leisure, it is super expensive to have a car. Then we talk about the fitness and the insurance and the licensing for this car and the servicing. It practically costs $20,000 per week. And being that we live in the modern age, Wi-Fi is a need for almost every household. My package is $6,000 per month, which works out to $1,500 per week. And we need electricity, right? Yeah, JPS need them money. So I pay anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 per month for electricity. So let's just round that to $1,000 per week to have light. And then we have the water bill, which comes to $1,500 per month most of the times, and that is $375 per week. So with all our expenses listed, our grand total for what I spent in a week is $106,218.91. Now, is this a true representation of what I actually spend? No, because that Mega Mart trip doesn't happen every week. It doesn't even happen every month. So let's take away that Mega Mart expense. So taking away that Mega Mart expense of roughly $48,000, we are now left with $57,573.43. And yes, this is still high. But when we really get down into the nitty-gritty and think about the things that we normally don't think about, like car payments, fuel, the gate fee, the water, the light bill, the gas, we only think about those things on a monthly basis. But once we break them down into a week, then we see how much we really spend. Yes, sometimes we pay the insurance for the year and then just forget about it. But if you break down that insurance into a weekly expense, then you will see the real cost of actually owning your car. Likewise, with almost anything we own, we buy groceries, but then we still buy street food. Things add up. This is why I think everybody should do this exercise. It's a great way to have accountability, and it's also a great way to show the upcoming newbies into this world of spending what to expect, what to do, or what not to do. So hopefully by doing this exercise, you don't mess up your bank account, you know? And for my 18 to 25-year-olds, yeah, life are gonna mashing up wickedly. I joke, I just admit this entertainment value. But thank you guys for watching this video. This has been Demetress Fairman. And if you guys would like to see videos along this line, just please let me know by leaving a comment or just boost this video by giving it a lot of likes. Anyways, thank you for watching. Happy budgeting and investing.